In 3, 2, 1, rush.
And here we go in match number 2. Let's watch this Auton, see what these alliances are doing. So now to get autonomous points in Recycle Rush, we're looking for all 3 robots to do an action. We're looking for all 3 robots in the Auton zone, all 3 recycling containers, 3 totes. So we're looking at the Red Alliance doing some magic here, starting with some points on the board. That's really awesome. We got totes, we got robots. We move on to Teleop, drivers are stepping up. So like we already started to say after that first match, we're not looking at a win here or a loss. We're not comparing the Red and the Blue Alliance. We're seeing how each of these alliances can increase their average qualification match score. So we want to see this Blue Alliance, we want to see this Red Alliance score as many points as possible. Every one of these teams on the field wants to just get the max score possible for their own team to move up the rankings. And so we're already seeing that both these alliances are really helping each robot on their alliance, each team on their alliance to move up in the standings. We're seeing that Vulcan Robotics is already starting a stack. That's 3 totes, that's 6 points. We're seeing Nemesis at the Human Player Station on the Blue Alliance with a stack of 6 totes and a recycling container for 36 points. So that is fantastic. That's our highest scoring stack there, and that's very exciting. So let's see them put on the scoring platform, and at the end of the match, we'll see if it's counted for a score. So they got them on the scoring platform. We're going to watch how the refs score that, how the scorekeepers score that. But that's great news for the Blue Alliance here. And Nemesis keeps up this work. The way that they do this, they station themselves at that Human Player Station. They have an arm that moves up. A new tote comes in. They put it to the floor. They have wheels that bring that new tote to the bottom of the stack, and they continue to grow that stack. And let's see if they have the ability to put a recycling container on top of that stack, because without the recycling container, that's only 8 points they're carrying right now. They have to get a recycling container on that in order to make that a 24-point stack. And we're looking at 30 seconds now. 30 seconds now. You might also see that we had litter getting thrown around the field. Now 20 seconds left. That means we're not throwing litter anymore. But we throw litter to get a few extra points on the board for unprocessed litter, for litter going in the landfill. It's an extra way to score. We'll explain that in a minute. Next match, perhaps. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and Nemesis with another 6, 0. All right, and these scores are coming up for match number 2. Okay, and there you go. The Blue Alliance got themselves